Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at a compact powerhouse in the handheld vacuum category, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Portable Vacuum Cordless Handheld. Whether you're tidying up around the house, clearing the car, or tackling those pesky corners in your dorm, this vacuum promises to make cleaning easier with its high-performance features. But does it live up to the claims? Let's find out. First off, this model is equipped with a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, offering solid power and flexibility for quick cleaning tasks. With a suction power of up to 35 air watts, this cordless vacuum promises to provide sufficient cleaning strength for your everyday messes, from small debris to dirt in tight spaces. The real question is, how does this performance translate in real-world usage? The dustbuster's design is straightforward, featuring an extended reach thanks to a built-in crevice tool that makes cleaning in tricky spots, like between couch cushions or along baseboards, much easier. The nozzle extension makes it easier to reach those difficult corners and high-up areas, such as shelves or the tops of cupboards. However, as convenient as this feature is, the extension does add a bit of bulk to the vacuum when not in use, so it may take up extra space in your storage area. One of the standout features here is the extra-large 750ml dustbin. This is great for extended cleaning sessions without the constant need to empty the bin, which can be a bit of a hassle with smaller models. Larger dustbins like this one help keep your cleaning rhythm uninterrupted, but it's worth noting that it might make the vacuum feel slightly heavier than other smaller handhelds. When it comes to performance, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster doesn't disappoint. The 2-speed cleaning system offers versatility depending on your needs. The standard speed works great for light tasks like dusting or picking up crumbs, while the power boost mode gives you that extra suction for larger messes, making it effective for more stubborn debris or even pet hair. While it's not quite as powerful as full-sized upright vacuums, the 2-speed system provides an efficient balance between convenience and performance. In terms of handling, the vacuum is relatively lightweight, especially considering the power packed into such a small frame. The ergonomic design ensures that your hand doesn't strain too much, even during prolonged use. However, if you're tackling bigger messes or large areas, you might find yourself wishing for a longer runtime or more consistent suction as you go. That said, the battery life holds up well for quick cleanups and smaller spaces, but don't expect it to last through an entire deep cleaning session. One of the major points to consider with handheld vacuums is noise. The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster is relatively quiet for its class, but it's still louder than a robot vacuum or something designed more for surface-level cleaning. The 2-speed function also means you'll get a bit more noise when ramping up the power, which is normal but something to keep in mind if noise sensitivity is a concern. As for the attachments, the crevice tool is the most useful one for this vacuum. It works well for reaching those hard-to-reach areas like in between car seats or in tight spots around your home. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with more specialized tools, such as a motorized brush roll for pet hair or upholstery, which would have been a nice addition for pet owners or those with fabric furniture. Real-world usage is where this vacuum shines in smaller, more specific cleaning scenarios. It works best for quick pickups. Think of crumbs, dust, or small debris that get dropped throughout the day. It handles quick cleanups around the house or in the car with ease. However, for larger messes, especially on carpets, its compact design and limited suction power may not make it the best choice. It works on carpets for surface cleaning, but don't expect it to deep clean stubborn dirt or pet hair embedded in thicker fibers. Now, if we're talking value for money, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster offers solid performance for its price. Its 20-volt max lithium-ion battery gives it decent power, and the extended reach and large dustbin make it convenient for those quick, on-the-go cleanups. However, it's not necessarily a one-size-fits-all solution for every cleaning need. If you're looking for something to handle heavy-duty jobs or deep cleaning, you might need to look at larger models, which could cost more but offer better suction and a wider range of features. In terms of comparisons, this handheld vacuum slots in between budget models and higher-end cordless options. Models like the Shark WandVac or Dyson's V7 trigger give you more suction power, better battery life, and superior performance on carpets and larger messes, but they also come at a higher price point. The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster, on the other hand, offers a more budget-friendly alternative that excels in quick cleanups in smaller areas, with a focus on accessibility and user-friendly features. Looking at the build quality, this vacuum feels solid in your hand, with a decent mix of durable plastic and ergonomics that should withstand everyday use. Cleaning and maintenance are simple enough. Just empty the dustbin and wash the filter regularly to keep things running smoothly. However, given the vacuum's size and weight, it's clear that this is a model intended for lighter, frequent cleaning, rather than heavy-duty work. So who is the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster really for? If you live in a smaller space, have a car that needs regular maintenance, or need something lightweight and easy to handle for quick daily cleanups, this model could be a good fit. It's not ideal for large homes or extensive carpet cleaning, but for quick jobs and tight spots, it delivers solid performance. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss one of our in-depth reviews. We've got plenty more products lined up, so stick around for more honest and detailed insights to help with your next big purchase. Thanks for watching today's review. If you already own the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. The link to get the product is in the comments box. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your vacuums running strong. Goodbye till next time.